Miko! God, you're not helpful at all. Miko! Good girl. Holy shit. Okay. Miko the pack doggy! Yeah, it's just my traveling backpack. Hoary Nordrax. I really want to see what that looks like. Fuck! I can't! We're being attacked! Leave me alone! I just want to get naked. Except I don't, because Twitch. Okay, I just want to see what it looks like. I just want to see so bad. I have to tab back really fast. Oh! Well, that's not bad. I kind of like it. It's kind of a look. I kind of dig it a little bit. I actually like it.